Namaste everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Sit down in any comfortable position. Sit straight, close your eyes. Take a deep and long breath in through your nostrils and deep and long exhale out. Now we will stand one time home all together. Take a deep inhale. Bring your both palms together in front of your heart center. Rub your both palms. Gently apply on your eyes and apply on your face. Apply on your whole body. And slowly bow down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Okay, now stand up on your mat. Come in front of a mat, take 1 feet distance from a mat. We will start with sun salutation A. Take come inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. So exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Satswari exhale, jump back chaturanga. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Third exhale, downward facing dog. Now hold there for 5 counts. Keep breathing. 1, look at the navel point. Try to touch your heel on the mat. 2, 3, lift your tailbone high. 4 and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees. Jump front between your both palms. Look front, lengthen your spine. So exhale, go fully forward down. Nava inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, Ekam inhale again, raise your arms up. To exhale, forward down. Inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Third exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. To exhale, go fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Inhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, you come inhale. So exhale. Ready, inhale, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. That exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashtu, exhale. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round again, Ekam inhale. So exhale, bend forward. Inhale, look front, lengthening your spine, keep your spine straight. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. That exhale, downward facing dog. Then hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. To exhale. Now inhale all the way, come up. Same Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam inhale. To exhale. Steady inhale. Patwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. That exhale, downward facing dog. Again hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta bend your both knees, jump front, lengthen your spine. Asto exhale, go fully forward down. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll go for some salutation B. Ekam inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up for Utkatasana. Do exhale, go forward down for Uttanasana. Third inhale, look front. Chaturthi exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. That exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Front leg 90, back feet slightly 5 degrees in. Keep your hips square, look at your thumbs for Angushta Madhya Drishti and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Asto exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Now inhale, upward facing dog. Rasa exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Hold there 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dwadasa exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Tridasa inhale, Utmukha. Chaturdasa exhale, Adhomukha. Now hold 1, keep looking at navel point 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend both knees, jump front between your both palms. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, again, you come inhale, bend your both knees, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. Chaturthi, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. That exhale, downward facing dog. Again, hold there. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Now bring your right leg front for warrior A. 1, look at your thumb. 2, keep pushing your pelvis down. 3, 4, and 5. As to exhale, jump back Chaturanga Dandasana. Now I inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasa, exhale, Adhomukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Again, hold 1, 2, 4, and 5. So other side, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Tridasa, inhale, Urdhmukha. Chaturanga, exhale, Adhomukha. Next there, gain your energy back. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, swing your arms up for Utkatasana. Third round again, you come inhale, bend your both knees, raise your arms up. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Ready, inhale, look front. Chaturthi exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Third exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Meet warrior B from your right leg. Front leg 90. Warrior B. Press feet again, slightly 5 degrees in. Keep your knee, hips, and back leg in one line. Look at your hand. Hastagir Drishti. Hold 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale Urdhmukha. Exhale Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for Warrior B. Hold into Warrior B. 5, 4, 3, 2, gaze at your hands, and 1. Exhale again, go back Chaturanga. Through the side, inhale Urdhmukha. Chaturdasa, exhale Mukha. Again, hold relax here, deep inhale and deep exhale. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, again bend your knees, raise your arms up. Do exhale. Front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Let exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, bring your right leg front for Warrior B. Again, hold 1, 2, 4, and 5. As to exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for Warrior B. Hold with the left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So just exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Chaturdasa, exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, energy back. Take as much as you can. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Try to combine your breath with your body movement. Now bend your both knees, again jump front between your both palms. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now fifth and last round, again Ekam, inhale, Utkatasana. Do exhale, Uttanasana. Ready, inhale, Ardha-Uttanasana. Chatwari, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Sapta, bring your right leg front for Warrior C. Make Warrior C, maintain your balance on your right leg, lift your left leg up from the floor. And both hands front, stretch. Okay, look here. This is balance on your right leg. You can use Namaste also, or you can use the fingertips on the floor to maintain your balance. Hold 1. Very nice. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stop at your palms. Exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasa, bring your left leg front for Warrior C. Maintain your balance on your left feet. Your upper body should be in one line. Your back leg should be in one line. 2, 3. Rotate the thigh inside. 4, and 5. Again, press your palms. Exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. You can hold deep exhale. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale all the way, come up for chair pose. Exhale, Sama. Dukati Chakrasana, twisting pose. We have done till Maricya Asana D yesterday. Today we will move forward for the Naukasana. Naukasana is also known as boat pose. Okay. So now we'll go for the sitting sequence. Again, come in front of a mat. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up for Urdhva Vrikshasan. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Tat, exhale. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump into Dandasana, boat pose. You can jump into Dandasana or directly to the boat pose. So I have shown you guys how. So just to bend your knees and downward facing dog, and then jump directly to the boat pose. If you cannot jump, you can just come into Dandasana first, try, and then you can try to make. Do not hurt your wrist or your shoulders. Okay, now lift your legs up and hands front. Hold into boat pose. 1, keep your spine straight, open your heart as much as you can, look towards the ceiling. 3, very nice. 4, don't make a hump on your back. And 5, exhale, press your palms, lift yourself up in the air, and again drop yourself for the second round. Nice. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, press your palms, lift yourself up, inhale, and exhale, drop your hips down for the third round. Lift your legs up, 5, 4, very good, 5, 3, 2, 1, exhale, palm down, inhale again, lift yourself up for the third round, exhale, drop, fourth round, sorry. Again, come for the boat pose. 1, we will do this 5 times, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, drop palms down, inhale, lift, exhale down, again, inhale, lift yourself up in boat pose. Last round, try to lift your legs as much as you can, maximum. 1, 2, engage your core. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, place your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up and jump into Chaturanga. If you cannot, just simply go back to the Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees. Now you have to do Bhujpirasana, okay? Bhujpirasana, I will show you how you have to do it. You have to jump and directly you have to go to the Bhujpirasana, but it will be little bit difficult if you go directly. So just we will break into few modifications, okay? We will jump out of our both palms, okay? And then we will bring our leg front and we will cross our leg and try to touch our head down and lift your legs up. Okay, so this is Bhujpirasana. And again, come up, open your leg and take the legs back to the Chaturanga. Okay, now you will do, I will instruct. Okay, bend your both knees, jump out of your both palms with your feet. You can put bolster or cushion something forward so you will not hurt your head. Now cross your leg one by one in front of your face. Cross your leg, cross your feet together, and take your feet inside towards your hands as much as you can and put your head down. Put your head down and lift your legs up. Don't touch your toes. Flex your toes towards back. Hold one, very good. Nice try, everybody. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come up. Open your legs and exhale, jump back into Chaturanga from there. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Coming to downward facing dog. Just legs there for a few counts. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now bend your both knees and jump out of your both palms. Again. Put your hips down, put your hips down. Place your hips on the mat. Place your hips on the mat. Now, one by one, take your hands under your shoulder for Kurmasana. Place your hand under your shoulders. Oh, sorry, place your shoulders under your knee one by one. And just straight your legs front. Come on your heel. Properly adjust your shoulder under your leg. And then straight your both arms by the side and legs front. Try to touch your belly on the mat and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine, now just stay there. The next variation is Kurmasana. You have to cross your legs front and then take your hands back or interlock. But if you cannot do, just do Kurmasana and skip the Kurmasana. But first you have to complete Kurmasana properly, then only you can do Supta Kurmasana. So again, skip. Now lift yourself up like this from this position only. You have to lift and then jump back into Chaturanga. Okay. Lift, try to lift and then go back into Chaturanga. If you cannot, take simply your legs back. And if you can, just try it. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Just relax here for a few seconds in downward facing dog. Okay, now bend your both knees again, sit Dandasana. Next pose is Garbha Pindasana. It's very difficult pose. You have to first make Padmasana, just sitting Padmasana. Lotus pose, you know, lotus pose. First make lotus pose. Okay, after making lotus pose, you have to put your hands here between your legs. You have to put like this. So just avoid, if you have a good Padmasana, flexible Padmasana, then only you can put your hands down. Or you are in shorts, in trousers, it may can hard to put your hand between your legs. Okay, then your another hand will go here and here. Then you have to grab your hands like this towards your head. It's hard because you need a flexible lotus pose for doing Garbha Pindasana. Just sit in Padmasana and just try to put your hand, if you can, Very nice. Okay. Narenga, you have done it. Now put your hand on your head.
I cannot.
Okay. Very nice. Now put the next pose is Kutkutasana. Okay, very good, Joy. But your hand, your left hand is not from the correct side. Your left hand, you have to put your right leg more inside. Ah, then you have to bring your left hand from front. Your feet will be back. Your right feet will be back. Then your left hand will go inside. Left hand, left hand. This is your right. You have to put your right leg back here. Here, you have to put your right leg will be not here. Your right leg will be here. Put it more inside through your left hand, left hand. See, this is your lotus pose. Now your hand will go here and here. First, you have to put your hand here and then here. Your both feet will be back of your hand, not in front. You need very flexible lotus pose for this question. It's okay, avoid it until unless you get the lotus posture very good. Okay, now the next pose is Kutkutasana. It is also the same. First, we have to put our hand, then we have to lift our body in lotus pose. That is also very difficult. Okay, now open your legs and then jump back. Chaturanga. Take a deep inhale and deep exhale. Now bend your both knees. Again, jump into Dandasana. Now bend your both legs in butterfly position, but we will be doing Baddha Konasana. In Baddha Konasana, how butterfly is different from Baddha Kon. In butterfly, we like shake our legs and our both lower feet stick together. But in Baddha Kon, we have to pull our lower feet towards the ceiling. Open your ankle as much as you can. Now inhale, look up, don't shake. Inhale, look up. And exhale, just try to touch your belly on your feet and head on the floor. Do not make a curve on your spine. Just trying to go forward from your hip joint. Hold there, 1, 2, 3. Keep your spine straight if you cannot go deep. Just keep lengthening your spine. 4 and 5. Inhale, again come up. Don't release your leg. Again, push it more in and more out. Leg in and feet out. And exhale, try to touch your forehead on your big toes. Touch your forehead on your big toes. And again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Inhale again, lift yourself up and then jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees. See, now you have to jump very different. You have to jump out of your both hands and then you have to drop your leg. So it will look like this when you will jump. And then drop your leg. Okay, nice. Settle down. Now open your legs as much as wide you can open for Upavishta Konasana. Next pose is Upavishta Konasana. Okay, now grab your both big toes. Inhale, look front. And exhale, touch your belly, then your chest, and then your chin. If you cannot touch, don't do like this. If you are making a hump on your back, just try to lengthen your spine first. Straight your elbows as much as you can. Then go forward from a hip joint. We will always go forward from hip joint. Then we will touch our belly first, then our chest, and then our chin. If you cannot go deep, just keep your spine straight and slightly and slowly just bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift your legs up for Utkrishta Konasana B. Balance on your hips, open your legs, keep your spine straight, keep your hands straight, keep your knees straight. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Again, bend your both knees, jump out of your both palms. Keep your hips down. Now again, grab your both big toes and fold back for Supta Konasana. Just open your legs, grab your both big toes and fold back. Lay down on your back. Oh, very good. Now just try to touch your both big toes on the floor while opening your legs wide as much as you can. Hold there, 1, yeah, 2. Joel, lift your lower back also up. You can come on your upper back or on your neck. But try to touch the toes. 3, 4, 5. Again, come back, balance on your hip. Exhale, move forward down. Try. And again, go back into Chaturanga Dandasana. So you have to lift like the way you have come back. Same you have to first in opening your legs. You have to lift yourself up and then you have to come back. Okay. Okay. Now stay in downward facing dog. Relax yourself in downward facing dog. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay, now bend your both knees again, jump front into Dandasana. And we'll do Supta Padangushtasana. Bend your knees, grab your both big toes, and inhale, straight your legs, feet together, knees together. Lengthen your spine, open your heart, open your chest, look up towards the ceiling and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lay down on your back, roll back, same position. Keep grabbing your leg, just roll back. Now again, touch your toes on the floor. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, inhale, come up. Come on your hips, balance on your hips. And exhale, release. Now again bend your both knees for Ubhya Padangushtasana. Now bend your both knees, place your both palms on your calves muscle and just straight your legs, balance on your hips. For Ubhya Padangushtasana. Again hold there 1, 2, try to maintain your balance, 3, 4, and 5. Now roll back, same in this position. Urdhmukha Paschimottanasana, roll back. Okay. Now just open your legs, straight your legs, lay down on your back. Keep laying down on your back, just straight your legs. Lay down on your back, lay down on your back. Now bend your right leg at the knee. Grab your right big toe. Inhale, straight your right leg and exhale. Try to touch your chin on your shin. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now take your right leg, right side, look left side, take your right leg, right side, down. You have to take your right leg down towards the floor. Not like that. Take your right leg, right side, and hold 1. Try to take your leg as much as closer to the floor. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, take your right leg again front. Exhale again, touch your chin on your chin. And release the left. Now change your leg, bend your left leg at the knee. Grab your left big toe from first 2 fingers and inhale, straight your leg. And exhale, bend it down. Try to touch your chin on your chin. Hold there for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your left leg, left side for Parshvasthita. Look right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, take your leg back in front. Inhale and exhale. Try to touch your chin on chin and exhale. Release your leg. Take your leg. Now from here we have to go to Chaturanga. So we will do Chakra Vinyasa. Okay, now see how you have to do Chakra Vinyasa. Chakra Vinyasa, if you are in this position, down, you have to just try to fold back, roll back. Come into Chaturanga. Just try avoiding turning your head while doing this process, because if you turn your head left or right, you may have injury on your neck. Or if your neck is, if you have injury on your neck before, then just avoid doing this pose. Avoid doing this Chakra Vinyasa if you have a neck injury. Keep your head straight and still. Do not bend left side or right side. You can come just normally into Chaturanga as well if you don't want. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Now again, bend your both knees, jump. Jump front for Dandasana. Okay, now we'll do Setu Bandhasana. Now drop your head as much as you can make curve on your spine. Drop your head down. You can place your both arms also for it. Adjust your head first, like this. And then put your both palms on your chest and just try to straight your legs. If you cannot do, or if you have a neck injury, just avoid it. You have to straight your legs just slowly. If you can just straight your legs. If you cannot, keep your legs bent. Very nice. Just push your chest front as much as you can. Push your chest and neck inside. Now just slowly come back. Lift yourself up, head out, and slowly put your back down. Very nice. Now we'll do Urdhva Dhanurasana. Everybody knows Urdhva Dhanurasana is known as wheel pose, Chakrasana, wheel pose. Okay, now you have to do wheel pose. Lift yourself up. You have to do 3 rounds of Urdhva Dhanurasana, wheel pose. Just do 3 rounds and then lay down on your back in Shavasana. Now just lay down on your back on Shavasana. Just relax your body, relax your muscle, relax your heartbeat. Now just turn yourself to the left side. Now press with your right palm and sit in any comfortable position. Don't open your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Your back, neck straight. Now we will chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. And gently bow down your head towards God. And thank God for giving us strength. Praise God. By blinking, just open your eyes. And namaste to everyone.
Namaste.
Okay. So if you want to ask something, you can ask.
I have a question. You know, when you say turn on your left side, to my knowledge, like you only turn on the left side when you have a low blood pressure. Is there any specific reason you say to turn on your left?
So we turn our left side because you know the whatever food we eat, it comes out the way it comes out. It's in on our left side. So if we turn right side, the food will again go back to the right side, and it is not good. The all the food we eat, it when it digests, it comes from left side. The coming out, after digestion, it goes down, but the core which is down, it is in left side. So always turn left side. Even we sleep at night, we should sleep at left side, not right side. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.
One more, if we see one more reason, so right side is our sun, left side is moon. If we have calmed down our body, and if we turn to the right side, then we are doing again our body to the warmness. But after we have cooled down our body, we cannot turn our body to the hot part of the body. Right side is our sun, left side is our moon. So we just turn towards the left side. So gradually we bring awareness back to our body, and then we should wake up.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then
Thank you.
namaste. Take care. See you
Take care.
tomorrow,
Bye.
guys.
Thank you.
Again.